So next step is that we are going to debug the project. So we're going to go to run, debug, then the program will be ready to run from the beginning of the main function, and then we can click on the run, resume, and then the program should run, and you should see the following in the console window. So we have here running audio loopback from stereo in to Lineout, and you should hear, if you have a microphone on the stereo in and your headphones on the Lineout, microphone or other any if you have some music, some iPod or anything connected to the stereo in, you should now hear to in your headphones. And this is exactly what we will do. We will go here to run, debug, so we have here we're inside the main function, and we can click here, resume, and we see here on the console we have this register config values, the PLL, running, getting started project, audio loopback, and now you can hear from the stereo in to your headphones. So this is in fact the hello world for our first program for the board. So we're simply playing the inputs to the outputs. We're going into more details into each of these functions, what they're doing. We were talking about the PLL. So we see here there's also an assembly instruction here without any detail, so we also need to look at that. And then we will start taking a look into other examples. To terminate the program, we can just click here to this stop, and then we are back to this editing mode and we're out of this debugging session. So that's it for our first tutorial. We will go into detail later on to study what all these functions are doing, and see you later.